close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi. We are going to Candlein Beach from our resort. So हमारे hotel से, which is Delton Suites, it's around 10 minutes from there. So we are on our way and let's see what all is there to check out. I'll keep you posted. Hi you guys, so we have reached the Candlein Beach and मेरे आसपास सारे shops हैं यहाँ पे छोटे मोटे. So you can get kapde, you can get hats, you can get all kinds of beachy things here. And अभी मैंने rates पता नहीं किए हैं, but काफ़ी कुछ मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. Everything. I'll show you the products that are here. So you have hats, clothes. आंटी कितने का है वो टी शर्ट?
150 का
सारा?
सारा
दो शर्ट्स are 150 rupees. You have hats. Hats कितने का है?
150
150 से. You have चप्पल्स here. चप्पल्स? सब 150. पूरा शॉप?
पूरा शॉप नहीं है, अलग अलग रेट है.
और ये ड्रेस?
200 है, किंग क्वीन है 250
हाँ.
में, ऊपर है 150.
अच्छा नाइस. चप्पल्स ये कम नहीं होगा कुछ चप्पल में? 100 तक में देंगे? अच्छा नहीं अभी. You have a similar shop here. नारियल पानी कैसे है?
50 रुपीज़.
कम नहीं होता कुछ? नहीं अभी तो नहीं. थैंक यू. ये बैग कितने का है? कम नहीं होता? 200? Really like this bag, but 400 बोल रही है आंटी. तो I'm not in a mood to buy because I have a similar kind of bag थोड़े बड़े size में. So I'm not going for it. So you have गन्ने का जूस here.
हमारा नहीं है.
कैसे भैया चाय? नहीं अभी नहीं. There's the beach, finally. There's so much struggle. So it's really good अगर आप नॉर्थ गोवा में हैं, then Candlein Beach is really famous and यहाँ पे तो सब लोग आते ही हैं. बागा बीच, Candlein Beach. So थोड़ा crowded भी रहता है accordingly. There is a lot of water sports happening here and काफ़ी अच्छे shacks हैं. So हमने गूगल किया है यहाँ पे बे व्यू शैक काफ़ी अच्छा है. उसकी 4.5 रेटिंग है गूगल पे. सो वी आर गोना गो देयर एंड चेक आउट कि कैसा है. अगर वो एक्चुअली में अच्छा है देन वी आर गोना गो देयर एंड वी आर गोना चिल इन दैट शैक क्योंकि बहुत ही तेज़ धूप है. सो टैन होके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. लेट्स गो टू बे व्यू शैक एंड सी हाउ गुड इट एक्चुअली इज़. शैक्स और बोट शैक, लॉरेंस योस काफ़ी खाली है सरप्राइजिंगली. आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज क्योंकि अभी दिन का टाइम है तो शायद धूप की वजह से लोग नहीं आए. बट यूजुअली आई थिंक शाम से क्राउड काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. तो यहाँ पे जो बैठने के लिए मिलता है ये भी ये लोग सेल करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू पे सम अमाउंट टू सिट हियर ऑन द बीचेस. ये बीच बेड ऑलरेडी दे आर कॉलिंग अस. वो भी बार्गेन होता है एंड कहीं कहीं पे मैंने सुना है कि वो फ्री में भी हो जाता है. So these people charge you without any reason, but otherwise अगर आप नए हैं then definitely 100 rupees they'll charge minimum for this beach bed.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
So this is the Bay View Shack. This is the beach behind me, and this is the shack. So we are gonna go in and see कि कैसा है. order किया है fish fingers because it is a safe option, and I'll show you how it looks. And so yeah, it's decent. So out of 5 I rated 3, and इसके साथ I've ordered juice, so that's yet to come. But yeah, so that's the review as of now of this shack. So watermelon juice is here as well, so let's try this out. It's good. It's good as in काफ़ी जगह जूस में पानी मिलाते हैं, which is not the case. Juice is good. 5 on 5. I don't think इससे ज़्यादा हम कुछ खाने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, but yeah, so that's it for Bayview Shack from Candlein Beach. Hello there. So we came back from the beach, and we had like half an hour, and now we are going to this casino called Delton Jack. So we had to come to the hotel because मैंने shorts पहना था, and shorts is not allowed in casinos here. Delton के casinos में तो at least allowed नहीं है, so it has to be smart casuals, which does not include shorts or chappals. So yeah, I just came here and I changed into my jeans. So I'll show you my OOTD. So this is what I'm wearing. So we have called for the cab. So Delton say again you will get a cab to Delton Jack Casino. In case of Delton Jack, there is only one jetty, that is the Panjim jetty. Delton suits के आप reception पे बोल दो, then they will provide you a cab service to the casino. We have informed them like half an hour ago, and hopefully a car will be ready downstairs. So we're gonna go, and yep, I will keep you posted. Hello there. So we are on our way to the cruise. कल हमने Delton Royal किया, and today we are doing Delton Jack. So this has 4 floors as compared to Royal, which had 5. So this is a bit smaller than that, but it is the first and the foremost casino of India. So yeah, if you're in Goa, you can check it out, and I will show you the rest of it once I reach there.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Once you enter, you will have this view. This is like a lounge kind of thing. You can sit here sometimes. There's also washroom on each floor. So now we are gonna go up and see what else is there on other floors. So yeah, let's go. First floor mein cameras are not allowed, so I cannot show you inside. But I went and saw and it's really cool. Now we are going to the second floor.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So the second floor has restaurant and basically our restaurant, but this opens at 8:30 and abhi 7:20 हो रहा है, so it's not open yet. But इसके ऊपर sun deck है which is open right now. So we are gonna go there and let's go.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I'm just gonna taste it and let you know how it is. Let me find a spoon. The ground floor is only for high stake players and pokers, so we're not allowed to go inside nor allowed to shoot. So yeah, so we have covered all the floors. Ground floor पे ये है, and first floor पे there is the gaming section where also we are not allowed, and the next floor is food, and the top floor is also food and live music and live dance. So that's it for this Delton Jack casino, and you can see one of the dancers going behind me. And now we'll take the ferry and we'll go back to the port, and from there we are on the land, and then we can go somewhere else. Ferry कुछ intervals पे आती है, so अभी आई नहीं है, so we'll wait for the ferry, and once it comes then we'll board it and we'll go to the show. We have reached the land, we have come out of the casino, and now we are going to take a cab and we are going to go to Three Kings Chapel, जहाँ पे हमारा friend मिलने वाला है, and from there we are going to go with him. So I'll end the vlog here. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed the casino and the whole day that I had. And if you like the video, you know what you have to do. You have to like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will know when I put my new video. It's really crowded here. Sorry for the noise. And yeah, I will see you again in my next one. Till then, bye, take care.